Hello friends. This is the fourth problem of constructing the signal flow graph. Here the electrical network is given, for which we have to apply a Mason's gain formula, and it has to convert into a equivalent circuit. Here, along with resistance, there is capacitor and inductance is given in the network. In such network, while we are applying Mason's gain formula, before we have to convert into a same unit. Here resistance is in terms of ohm, and inductance is in Henry, and capacitor is in farad. Either by taking their impedance, it is possible to solve the network, that is make too much complication. The best suitable method is we have to apply a Laplace transform for this and writing the equivalent circuit, and then we have to draw the signal flow graph for this. How to convert? We know that in the transformation of the Laplace transform, the capacitor is written in terms of ohm, that is C is equals 1 upon S into C. The inductance as a derivative, that is S into L or LS. Then the equivalent circuit is written like this: R1, the capacitor C, that is 1 upon S into C, and resistance as it is R2, and then inductance S into L. Here this is input Vi, and here the output V0, and this terminal as Vc. Now this is the Laplace transformation equivalent circuit. Now all is in same unit, that is in terms of ohms. Now after this, take the current identification loops, loop 1 as I1, and here it is I2. After this, apply the Kirchhoff's voltage node analysis for this. Here this is Vi and this is capacitor Vc terminal. Now apply here the node voltage analysis. Then equation 1 is to find current I1, it is the difference Vi minus Vc upon R1. Rewrite this one, which is helpful while we are drawing the signal flow graph. That is nothing but Vi by R1 minus Vc by R1. This is our equation number 1. Now similarly find equation number 2, that is I2, that is nothing but, in this is V0, here it is V0. This equation I2 equals Vc minus V0 divided by R2, that equals Vc by R2 minus V0 upon R2. This is my equation number 2. Now here find the terminal Vc. Vc equals the current I1 and I2, that is 1 upon SC into of I1 minus I2, that equals I1 divided by S into C minus I2 divided by S into C. Now output V naught equals the output across the inductance, that is nothing but SL into I2. SL into I2. This is my equation number 3, and now this is equation number 4. After this, draw the signal flow graph. For drawing the signal flow graph, identification of the node is, this is my first node, that is input, that is Vi. After that, you just take one more, that is here V0. In between, the variables is I1, Vc and this I2. You can write anywhere. I write it here as first node, that is I1. Here I am writing I1, and then I am taking here Vc in middle. This is Vc, and then current I2 as one more node. Similarly, if one more loop is there, then you have to take I3. Like that, there is simplification of the network. Now from the equation 1, you see the incoming to I1 is Vi by R1. From the input, the signal is coming to this, that plus sign is 1 by R1. Write like this, 1 by R1. Minus sign is there, minus, it is coming to I1 by Vc. Vc is this, it means the loop is like this, and this is minus 1 upon R1. Minus 1 upon R1. Similarly, the second equation loop I2, one signal is coming Vc upon R2, means from the Vc. Now I am taking this one first because it is continuation. I1 upon Sc, means for Vc one signal is coming like this, it is nothing but 1 upon Sc plus sign, and 1 is minus 1 upon Sc. It means this minus 1 by Sc. That is from I2 to Vc. I2 to Vc, the signal is negative, and here the positive is I1 by Sc. It means to Vc the plus 1 upon Sc is incoming, and this is the feedback. The next one is I2, equation number 2 I am taking here. From Vc to I2, incoming is 1 upon R2, that is the forward signal, that is 1 upon R2, and from output again it is feedback loop, that is signal is minus 1 upon R2. This is how we are drawing the signal flow graph for the given electrical network. After drawing this, V output, here the same node, it is V0. For V output, incoming is from I2, it is S into L. S into L. There is no feedback for this, hence there are 3 loops. Now by applying the Mason's gain formula for this, the Mason gains formula is finding transfer function 1 upon delta summation k pk delta k. First, find number of forward paths. Here there is only one forward path and its gain is P1 equals, multiply this, then you will get 1 upon R1 into 1 upon SC into 1 upon R2 into of S into L. That is nothing but forward paths SL divided by R1 R2 S into C. This is the forward path. Now take the loops. This is loop 1, loop 2 and loop 3. Write their gains. L1 equals, multiply this, that is nothing but 1 upon SC into of minus 1 upon R1, that is nothing but minus R1 S into C. Similarly L2 equals 1 upon R2 into of minus 1 upon SC, that is nothing but minus 1 divided by R2 SC. The third loop is L3, that is nothing but SL into of minus 1 upon R2, that equals SL divided by R2, that is minus. Now the next step is check whether two non-touching loops are there or not. See here, this loop and this is not touching one, hence I have to write one more. L13 equals its gain. L1 gain is minus 1 upon R1 SC into of, then here minus 1 upon SL divided by R2. Minus into minus is plus, therefore SL divided by R1 R2 S into C. After this, find delta. Delta is nothing but 1 minus sum of loop gain L1 plus L2 plus L3, and two non-touching loops means L13 plus of this. Now delta 1 equals, it is only one forward path, hence the formula is P1 delta 1 divided by delta. Therefore delta 1, all the loops 1 2 3 is touching to the forward path, hence it is equals to 1. Therefore the transfer function T of S equals, the P1 is this one SL divided by R1 R2 SC, and delta 1 is equals to 1, then divided by 1, this sign is minus, and these gains you have to write, that is nothing but minus minus, it becomes all plus, plus 1 upon R1 SC plus 1 upon R2 SC, and this one plus SL divided by R1 SC, and then write minus this gain, that is SL divided by R1 R2 SC. This is the transfer function for the given electrical network. Thank you.